New videos every day. Life, wisdom.
Hi everybody, this is Dr. Jeff Echols again, and today we're going to show you several adjustments that a chiropractor might typically use in his office to help a person get relief and better health. And we're lucky enough to have Miss Karina today as our chiropractic model, and she'll be helping me to demonstrate these moves. So now we're going to demonstrate how we would adjust somebody's pelvis or their hips. And when we're looking at Miss Karina's hips, I've noticed that this right hip is actually rocked backwards like this on her body. And when that happens, it's actually pulling her leg up, which is causing her to have one leg appear shorter than the other. Now the bones really aren't longer in one leg than the other leg, but since the leg bone is connected to the hip bone and the hip is turned, it's pulling it up and making this leg look shorter. So a chiropractor will evaluate this and then start to realign that pelvis so that now the leg length is normal again. When the pelvis is out of alignment, it can cause tenderness over these what we call sacroiliac joints. It can also start to move problems up into the lower back itself. So this adjustment that I'm fixing to demonstrate has really been very beneficial to a lot of my patients. So Miss Karina, I want you to lay on this side for me, facing me. And we're going to just support her head so that it's not falling off her shoulders there. And we'll have her bend this up and lay here. Now she's pretty comfortable right here. She's just nice and relaxed. And here's her pelvis. This one, we're going to actually move this direction. So we get in here and just a nice little click, just like that. How'd that feel?
It felt good.
Felt good. All right, very good. So we've adjusted this hip. Now we're going to roll her over and do the other side. All right. I'm going to scoot you over a little bit, Karina, just like that. That a girl. Very good. So now we brought some balance back to Miss Karina's lower back and pelvis. Her leg length will now be much more level. She'll be able to walk better, won't wear her shoes better, not have so much strain on her lower back. The lower back, of course, goes on to feed all of the organs in the pelvic cavity. So this can help with all kinds of female issues as well as GI problems as well. So this is just a great way to keep the body healthy and functioning as good as it possibly can. I hope this has been some help. Again, please don't try these at home. We just give you these so that you can understand what chiropractic is and how we can use it to help people. If you have any more questions, feel free to go to my website, www.jeffechols.com.